So Optimus Cloud is about a new way to jointly optimize both database parameters and cloud instance selection types. And what you want to do is essentially you want the best performance of your compute cluster normalized by the cost, right? So if you can think about it, if you were willing to spend infinite dollars, then you can get the best performance from your compute cluster. And when you measure performance either in terms of latency or throughput, right? But if you want to bound your performance by cost, that is normalized by cost, which is mostly true like in most little startups or labs or what have you, unless you're a Google or an Amazon or a Facebook, you might want to always normalize your performance by cost. Then in that case, you need some smart algorithms to bound the cost while maximizing the throughput. So like I said, performance can be measured using two metrics. One is throughput, which is generally the case in healthcare, and another is latency, which is generally the case in the IoT area. So IoT is, of course, Internet of Things, and some canonical applications in the IoT domain can be self-driving cars. So I bring about the example of self-driving cars because in the case of self-driving cars, latency is very important, right? So depending on what your application is, the kind of performance metric that you're looking to measure may be either throughput or latency. And in most cases, most companies or labs, research labs, they might want to optimize the performance of the compute cluster normalized by cost. So that is essentially what Optimus Cloud does. So this technology jointly optimizes the database configuration parameters and the cloud instance type to give you the best performance normalized by cost.